Hello, HSP travel vloggers, travel vlog friends. What will it be? I'm out taking my nighttime walk before bed. I just wanted to show you a little bit of my barn and farm and that moon. I'm going to zoom in because it is so huge. You just can't tell. Darn. I wish you could. So my grief is that I left SFO on August 3rd. Today is August 10th. Last night was the first night that I slept a real night's sleep. Like a normal one where I still got up a couple times but actually got a night's sleep. And today I traveled a few hours from La Bresse, where Annette and I were together for several days, to this little tiny place that isn't even a village. And today's the first day I feel normal. You hate for it to take a week, don't you? So I often get asked, why are vacations hard? And I think we just keep trying. It's not like HSP stopped going on vacations. We give it a shot, but we find them really challenging. And that's why. Now, I flew a really long ways and did some really big things, so it took me maybe a little longer than it would normally. But I want to, in this travel vlog, I'm going to start talking a little bit more very clearly about how I set up places I go regularly so that it doesn't take so long. So I'll give you two things right now. One is the places I regularly visit. I have a pillow there and a pillowcase that are exactly like what I use at home. The pillow really matters to me. And Candy Crawford, International Consultant on High Sensitivity, taught me to take my own pillowcase. But for places I go regularly, I took it a step further. So that is one thing that I do. And in the US, I travel with a giant suitcase and I carry my pillow, and it's organic wool, so it's heavy. That's pretty, isn't it? The other cottage there, they have their outside lights on. The moon rising above it. And my dark cottage in the back you can't see. So as the moon rises over France, your friend Alane is going to hit the hay. And I'm just full of gratitude today. I'm happy to be here. And I thank you for joining me. Good night.